Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and verifying identity right away. Do this now so the app recognizes you. Enable location and notifications so orders route correctly. Once done, add or confirm payout details and upload any ID photo the platform requires. Then accept your first order fast, within 5 to 10 minutes, to establish reliability and improve future dispatching. Make sure to update vehicle info and availability. This sets the baseline for how the system will match you with jobs. You handle the core workflow by verifying items at pickup, count, temperature, and special instructions, because mistakes cost time and ratings. Then start navigation in the app. Follow suggested routes, but only reroute when you can save 2 minutes or more. While en route, message the customer with a concise ETA and any arrival details. Send a photo of the order or gate code if requested. Doing these small steps reduces disputes and speeds turnarounds, which directly raises your acceptance and completion metrics. You finish by confirming delivery with the required proof, photo, signature, or an app note, because that protects your payment. Once delivered, rate the order and report any problems right away. The app typically allows claims within 24 hours for reimbursement. If an item is missing or incorrect, stop, document everything with photos and timestamps, and contact support. Escalate via chat or call if needed. One troubleshooting tip: if GPS fails, toggle location, relaunch the app, and notify the customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.